Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How are you doing?
They're alright. Take the top.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate you taking the time. I've been reviewing our recent projects and I want to touch about the project we can improve together. I wanted to acknowledge your effort you put in. Your dedication hasn't gone unnoticed, especially you, Aldrin.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. I take your advice and now here I'm full of strength and confidence in myself right now for my family.
I'm glad that you hear and understand. We are here all for you. We are one. So cheer up. Your work is making a positive impact. I believe in your potential. I want to see success.
We're stronger together.
Okay, meeting dismissed. Congrats, everyone. Thank you, sir. When the day you are hired in my company, you have a lot of disadvantage and weaknesses in yourself. But I'm not the boss that I will fire my workers or employees because of their weaknesses. When I first saw you, I've seen in your face the courage and confidence to be able to work in my company, to finance your family, and I'm proud of you for not giving up, and we are all cheer up on you. Keep it up.
Yes, sir.